Let's design this in Canva. So you can see that the letters background matches that of the video. So first off, we'll start by taking a blank canvas, and if you go in Canva, you can just select the video format, and that will give you this blank canvas for a video format. Then go to elements and search for any video that you would like. I have taken Paris for an example. So I've taken that video, dropped it into the canvas, and then here we have the video. You can take any video. You can also like download any other video from any other sources and upload it and then use that video. So there are multiple things that you can do. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again go to the elements and then type in letters, and then go to the shapes and then select the word that I would like. And here I'm gonna take romance because Eiffel Tower is a symbol of romance. But then you can take any letters and you can position it as wherever you want to. I actually positioned it at the bottom, but what happened is later on the background of video is like dark, so half of the letters are matching the background and have become dark, so it's like half light color and half bottom color is dark, so you might not be able to read it, but you can place it in the middle or wherever you want, and you can go on with the colors. So let's get started with this. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get these letters adjusted as we want, and then we're gonna drop in the same video in each of the letters. So we're going to drop in each of the letter, and then when we drop it, double click on the letter and then match it with the background video size. So like stretch it and match it with the background, and do it for each letter. So we're gonna do it for each letter, so we'll go one by one. So okay, so we are stretching each one out. Okay, I'm just going to fast forward it so you don't miss any steps. So you can like slow it down and watch it. What I've done, I've just taken each letters and stretch it out and completed that for all the letters. Once we have completed this step, we will move on to our next step, which is we are going to go to elements again and type in shapes. Take a shape, square shape or rectangle shape, and then stretch it out on the whole screen wherever we have the video. Then we would adjust the transparency, but taking the color like it depends on how's the background of the image. I've taken gray color initially and then later on changed it to the black color. But what you can do is you can take your background in consideration, and then based on that choose a color. So you see there's a position option. You can go on there and then drag the rectangle after your letters and before your video, and then you can like adjust the transparency, and once you adjust the transparency, your video will be ready. You can also play in with various effects that Canva provides for free, and then it will enhance your video. So you can apply any effect that you would like and you want to engage your audience with. And here is our final product. Do like and subscribe if you like this content, if you want more videos related to Canva or designing stuff. Thank you.